Hi, this is Sri from Techietalks AI. This is the third video in the series of 12 videos. And in this video, we'll add one additional sophistication to our AI chatbot. So first video, we saw how easily we can build a chatbot and connect it to DeepSeek. And second video, we saw how we can add conversation history so that our chat interaction is able to know the previous conversation so that it can contextually respond back to us. In this video, what we're going to see is whenever we want to start a new chat, we need to reset the conversation history, right? So we are going to add a button which when we click will reset the conversation history. It's a simple thing. So our idea is to make one simple sophistication to the chatbot so that by the end of the 12th video, we'll have a very powerful chatbot with PDF-based RAG, text document-based RAG, and URL website-based RAG. In addition, we'll also add a tool for booking so that we can capture customer information and respond back to the customer with some booking token or booking reference ID. So stay tuned. Let's see how this specific chat system works. So let's try what is 2 plus 2. Yes. Can you add 3 more to it? So it's able to remember the conversation. Now let's click the button. And the conversation is gone. Can you see the conversation history has been cleared? So let's see how you can run this. First, we need to git clone the repo URL. The URL is given in the YouTube description. I've already cloned it, so I'm not cloning it. And then change to the Techietalks AI folder and come to 004 folder. That is the folder that has the files needed for this chat system. All the files that you need are here. Remember, there is a .env file, and that file you need to update with the API keys. Okay, you will not have this env file. What you need to do is to update this env example and then rename it as .env. Okay. So how do we run it? Docker compose up minus D. Okay, so if you want to see the logs, Docker compose logs minus F so that we can see the conversation. Now let's look at the code. There is a small change. We have just added the button. So these are the lines that we are adding to it. Okay, so the button, ST button is the Streamlit button object, and then the text new chat and start a new conversation tooltip. Here what we are doing is we are resetting the current conversation message if any, and also we are resetting our conversation history. See this? And we are rerunning this code. So anytime you press, the code restarts and the conversation history gets cleared. That is it. Okay, if you have any questions, please mention it in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.